Hi, in this video I'm going to solve for this question for vectors. So number 13, points M, N and P are collinear. So collinear is together on the same line, like M, N and P. Okay, one line. Mn to Np equal to 2 to 5. Okay, we can go. So for here Mn, M to N, so we can get it from M to Q, MQ, and plus by Q to N. So we got 4A plus by 6B. Okay, now to find it NP, I will write it here. So we'll use this information. So Mn over Np equal to 2 over 5. So we got as Np equal to 5 over 2 Mn. Okay, so Np, so we got M to N. So 5 over 2 we multiplied by 4A plus by 6B. Okay, we can just expand it the bracket. So yeah, we got this 10A plus by 15B. Okay, we got it NP. So MP we can get from M to N plus by N to P. So Mn is 4A plus by 6B, while NP here we got it 10A plus by 15B. Okay, then addition here is 14A plus by 21B. Okay, 14. The diagram show a trapezium. Okay, here is parallel AB and AOC. They are parallel. Okay, express the vector of AD. So first let us find AC. So AC, A to C. Okay, we get it from here. A to O plus by O to C. AO is negative 2A plus by B. Or we can write as B minus 2A. Here we got as AC. So look at this information. AD, common. Okay, D is a point of AC such as AD to DC equal to 3 over 1. So if this ratio, so AD means 3 over 4 of AC and DC equal to 1 over 4 of AC. Okay, if we would like to find AD, so we can just write it here. AD equal to 3 over 4 of AC. So AC we got here 3 over 4, B minus 2A. So we can expand it the bracket, 3 over 4B minus by 3 over 2A. So here we got AD. How about the O to D? O to D. Okay, we got P here. And this is our DC. So to go OD is OD. This we got O to C. And then we got C to D. Okay, let's find it DC. DC, from here is 1 over 4 of AC. Okay, AC is B minus 2A. Okay, so here minus 1 over 4B minus by 2 over 4A. As the direction changes, we will multiply by negative. So it's going to be 1 over 2A minus by 1 over 4B. Okay, we can just write it down here. OC equal to B. CD equal to 1 over 2A. We minus by 1 over 4B. So we got 1 over 2A. And then B minus by 1 over 4B. So we get as 3 over 4B. Here is addition. Next, we need to show it. O, D, and B. Okay, O, D, and B. So let me make it straight line. O, D, and B are collinear. They are together on the same linear. So the easiest one, just find it, the OB. So OB we got from OA plus by AB. So OA from here is 2A plus by 3B. Okay, we can compare it. Another one, OD, we can make it directly. O to D, we got the answer before. Here is OD, 1 over 2A plus by 3 over 4B. Okay, we can factor out. Here is 1 over 4 from OD. So here is 1 over 4. This is 2A plus 3B. Okay, O to B, we will substitute into the equation is going to be OD equal to 1 over 4. Oh, look at it. 2A plus 3B here is equal to OB. Okay, so we got it here. Since OB equal to 4 times O to D, so they are parallel and they share the common, so we got the point O, D, and B are collinear. Okay, here is the last question. Let us take a look. So Carlos jogged for 40 minutes at steady speed of 9 km/h in northeasterly direction. He then walked westward until he was due north of his starting point, where he stopped for lunch. If Carlos jogged home, traveling due south at the same pace as he set off, how many minutes did the last leg of journey take him? Okay. So the Carlos. So we can imagine here it is. So he walk west, and then here is jog home. And here is jogging to northeast. Okay, first let us find the magnitude point. So the D is 9 km/h. We multiplied by here 40 minutes. So this is 40 over 60 hour. So we got as equal to 6 km. Okay, here is the 6 km. Next, what information that we need? As this is 90 degree, it's gonna be 45 and 45 degree. So we can find again. Here is 6 and then cos 45 degree, and then we got 6 and sin 45 degree. So we got as 6 multiplied by square root of 2 over 2, and then here also 6 multiplied by square root of 2 over 2. So we got the coordinate of 3 square root of 2, and here also 3 square root of 2. So let us find it, the launch position. Okay, let's start. The start is origin 0.0. So west change it, the east and west component. So to reach due north, okay, we got it from here. He must cancel out 3 square root of 2. So his position launch is 0.3 square root of 2. Okay, here is the position of the launch. And then the return leg. So this is the distance again, third. So here is 3 square root of 2. Here is around 4.24 kilometer. How about the time? So we can use the formula time equal to the distance, which is 3 square root of 2. Okay, and the speed, this is the same speed, is 9 kilometer per hour. So here is 3 hours. Let's give it into minutes. So square root of 2 over 3, we multiply by 60. This we round it to 1 decimal place, is 28.2. 28.3. Because we round it to 1 decimal place. Okay, there it is. Thank you.